stylish and expensive, but without spending too much? What if I told you that you don't need a big budget to create a designer-style home? Yes. With the right DIY tricks, you can transform your space and make it look elegant for less. In this video, we'll show you 100 plus budget-friendly home decor ideas that look expensive but are super easy to do. From furniture upgrades to lighting hacks, from stylish storage to final touches, we've got everything covered. Stay with us because these ideas will change the way your home looks. Let's get started. Section 1. The power of small changes, easy DIYs that make a big impact. Have you ever wondered how a small change can make a big difference in your home? You don't need to spend a lot of money to make your space look stylish and high-end. Simple upgrades can completely transform a room, and today, we're starting with some of the easiest ones. Imagine walking into a space that feels fresh, elegant, and expensive, without spending a fortune. It's possible. Just adding a touch of gold, a sleek peel-and-stick backsplash, or a bit of molding can make your home feel brand new. Spray painting old decor pieces in gold or matte black instantly gives them a modern, designer feel. But we're just getting started. If you think these ideas are impressive, wait until you see the next section, where we'll show you how to create stunning, expensive-looking wall art for almost nothing. Section 2. Expensive-looking wall art for cheap. Walls can make a home feel empty or full of life. The right wall art can change everything, but store-bought pieces are often too expensive. The good news? You can create your own stunning artwork for almost nothing. A blank canvas, some paint, and a little creativity are all you need. You don't have to be an artist. Simple abstract designs, soft brush strokes, or textured patterns can look modern and stylish. Another easy trick is printable art. Many high-quality designs are available online for free or at a low cost. Just print them, place them in a sleek frame, and your wall will look like a gallery. In the next section, we'll show you how to turn simple, affordable furniture into high-end pieces that look straight out of a designer catalog. Section 3. Budget-friendly furniture upgrades. Furniture can make a home feel expensive, but designer pieces cost a lot. The secret? You don't need to buy new furniture. You can upgrade what you already have. A simple coat of paint can change an old table or dresser into something fresh and modern. Matte black, soft beige, or deep green are great choices for a high-end look. Adding new handles or legs to furniture also makes a big difference. Swap cheap plastic handles for gold, black, or glass ones, and your cabinets will look brand new. Contact paper is another trick. You can use marble or wood pattern paper to give tables, countertops, and shelves a stylish finish. Next, let's talk about lighting, because the right lights can completely change the feel of your space. Section 4. DIY lighting hacks for a luxury glow. Lighting can make any space feel warm and stylish, but fancy lights can be expensive. The good news? You can create high-end lighting on a budget. One easy trick is using LED strip lights. Place them under shelves, behind mirrors, or around your TV to give a soft, modern glow. Another idea is upgrading old lamps. Spray paint the base in gold, black, or white for a fresh, elegant look. Want a designer-style chandelier? You can DIY one using a cheap light fixture and some creative touches like beads, rope, or metallic paint. Now that we've set the perfect lighting, it's time to add personality. In the next section, we'll show you how to style your home with elegant decor pieces that look expensive but cost almost nothing. Stay tuned, you won't believe how easy it is. Section 5. Elegant decor pieces on a budget. Now that your home has the perfect lighting, it's time to add stylish decor. Fancy decor can be pricey, but you can make your home look expensive without spending much. One simple trick is using glass jars and vases. Fill them with dried flowers, branches, or even fairy lights for a high-end look. Want designer-style sculptures? You can DIY them using clay, plaster, or even paper match. Another great idea is stacking books. Use old hardcover books, remove the dust jackets, and arrange them neatly on a table or shelf. It instantly adds a classy feel. But we're not done yet. Next, let's talk about textiles, because the right fabrics can make any home feel cozy and expensive. Section 6. Cozy and expensive looking textiles. Soft fabrics can make any home feel warm and stylish. But fancy curtains, rugs, and pillows can be very expensive. Don't worry, there are easy ways to get the same look for less. First, let's talk about curtains. Floor-length curtains make a room feel taller and more elegant. Choose light, flowing fabrics like linen or sheer white for a high-end look. Hanging them higher than the window also makes a big difference. Next, throw pillows. Instead of buying new ones, just change the pillow covers. Velvet, linen, or textured fabrics add a rich feel without a big price. Next, let's talk about organizing, because a clutter-free home always looks more expensive. Section 7. Smart and stylish storage ideas. A home that looks clean and organized always feels more expensive. But storage solutions can be costly. The good news? You can create stylish storage without spending much. Start with baskets. Woven baskets look elegant and can hide clutter easily. Use them for blankets, toys, or even pantry items. Glass jars are another great idea. Store kitchen essentials like pasta, coffee, or snacks in clear jars for a neat and high-end look. Floating shelves are also a game changer. They add extra space while making your walls look stylish. Now that we've organized everything, it's time for the final touch. In the next section, we'll bring everything together with simple styling tricks that make your home look like a designer masterpiece. Keep watching. This last part will take your home decor to the next level. Section 8. Final touches for a designer look. Now that everything is in place, it's time for the finishing touches. Small details can make a home feel stylish and expensive. The first trick? Less is more. Don't overcrowd your space, let each piece stand out. A simple, well-arranged setup always looks classy. Next, add greenery. Plants bring life to a room and make it feel fresh. You don't need expensive ones, simple indoor plants, or even fake plants can do the job. Another trick is using scents. A home that smells good feels more luxurious. Try scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or DIY room sprays for a fresh and elegant touch. With these small details, your space will look like it came straight from a designer magazine, without spending a fortune. And that's it. 100 plus easy DIY ideas to make your home look stylish and expensive, without spending a lot. Small changes can make a big difference. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves home decor. And don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly home ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.